This is Abhishek Sharma, and in this particular video we are going to discuss 4 basic functions of Python in Pandas. Okay, so first is split function, second is apply function, third is replace function, and the fourth one is filter function. So these 4 we are going to discuss. So first of all, I have created this Excel sheet. I will show you once, like name, roll number, percentage, and student ID. So I'm going to read this file in Pandas data frame, like df2. You can see here df2 name, roll number, percentage, and student ID. So first of all, I will discuss about split function. So suppose we have this student ID and we want a new column, and by separating this value by underscore. So how can we do that? Like df2, suppose we want to create a new column, and in that column we want df2 student ID dot string dot split by underscore, and string. If you will put 0 here, then what will happen? I will show you. So in new column you can get this Ramesh, Suresh, and Mohan. Like this function separating this column by underscore and getting the first value, like this Ramesh, Suresh, and Mohan. If we are putting it 0 here, if you will put 1 here, then what it will do? It will give you the second value after separator 10, 12, 11, and 12. So that's how it works, which is split function. And the second one I will discuss about apply function. So suppose this percentage function. First I will show you the data type of each column in this data frame. These types. So you can see here name is object I mean string. So roll number int 64, percentage int 64, student ID object, and new column object. Okay, suppose we want to change this percentage column as string instead of integer. So how can we do that? df2 percentage is equals to dot apply string. Then again I will show you the data type. So you can see a percentage is now object, and suppose we want to again change it to integer. So we can do that again, like run it again and retry. So percentage again in 64. So like this we can use apply function. Then again I will come to replace function. So suppose in student ID itself we want to replace this underscore by hyphen. So we can do that as well, like this dot string dot replace underscore comma, we want to replace it by, sorry, this is underscore, by hyphen. Okay, let's run it. Then df2 You can see here student ID. Now instead of underscore, it is hyphen. So that's how replace function works. You can replace anything by anything. So now I will come to the fourth part, that is filter function. So what filter function exactly do? It rearrange the columns as your choice. Like suppose first we are getting name, then roll number, then percentage, then student ID. Na? So if I will use filter function, df2 is equal to df2 dot filter, and we want only if we want only 3 column in our data frame, then that also we can do using filter function. So like this, first I will put here roll number, then name, then percentage. So let's run it, then I will show you. See, first roll number, then name, then percentage, and only 3 columns here out of 5. So that's how we can use this filter function as well. So that's all for today. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about pandas and data science. So yeah, thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe and like and share.